Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a table of values for volume and its corresponding pressure in an experiment conducted. From the table, Andrea concluded that the pressure is inversely proportional to its volume. Let's see, how do we test? In order to test inverse proportion, we need to make sure that in this case, the V, where's the V? And the P, when I multiply them, V times P, it must give me a constant. So this is a fixed value, which we usually use the word constant. That means the number must be the same throughout this table. Okay? So in order to answer the question, do I agree with Andrea's observation? I will need to test. So for this particular question, I will then have to calculate all the V times P. Okay. So in this case, I'm going to just duplicate this here. And you know what? I'm going to just have one more row of this table. I'm going to have to check for all the values. VP, which basically means V times P. So I will need to times all of this value down. And let's see what I will have get for all these values of VP. So this one will give me 700. The second value, when I multiply them, will give me 690. Oh, I know they are not already. But to complete the whole table, then you will start to see that, hey, this will be 689.99, and this will be 684. Do you notice that all the values of K is not the same? And that's how we will explain our answer. Okay? I disagree. As all the values of K, which is equals to Vp, which is V times P, are not the same. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.